I'm a child. Bush.
Is Boo Boo Bear your favorite?
Yeah.
Is he your favorite animal at the zoo?
Pull down the pipe.
Can we save some for some other animals?
And then we get some Boo Boo Bear. I said, I spit it out. I spit it out. I got spit in my mouth.
Here, you shouldn't eat it. You shouldn't eat it. Here, do you want to feed him some more? Show him what he likes to do. Show him what Boo Boo Bear does.
Spit it out. Is that a bear?
That's Boo Boo Bear.
He eats the seeds?
Yep.
Yeah. I thought he would eat fruit.
Bears eat just about anything.
You gonna give him fruit? Did you eat some?
Oh,